Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if Minecraft cannot resolve the hostname issue that you're experiencing on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in ipconfig, followed by a space /flash DNS. Flash DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, once again exactly how you see it on my screen. Hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And then hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem. And you may also want to check the IP address you're connecting to in Minecraft. Make sure it's set to the correct one. That's just something else you can take a look at. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.